Hey guys, so we're here. We have a client who needs just a touch up on her color. She has a short style. We're going to show you the end result once we shampoo and style her. Look, I'm not even in frame. But I wanted to show you her beginning. So she has a little color. We're going to go in with Beautiful, which is, where is it? By Clairol. It's a really safe color to use at home. And it really covers the gray, especially if you wear relaxer. This is going to be a good option for you. So you're going to shampoo your hair, condition it, put the color on, apply a little heat for about 20, 30, maybe 40 minutes, depending on how much gray and how resistant it is. And then rinse it and move on with the process. So I'm going to start that process and I'll be back to show you the end result. Look at it. She said peace. See y'all. Hey y'all. I want to be in the shot. Okay. So now we've rinsed, shampooed, conditioned, colored. She's nice and black, which I love short hair black. But anyway, now we're going in with the leave-in conditioner, which is, it's a 10. She wears, it has a relaxer, so I always want to reinforce that with some protein just to keep it strong and all that good stuff. And now we're going to go in and set with one of my favorites, Nairobi. I'm going to set her, put her under the dryer, let her bake for a while, about an hour. Look, she don't like the dryer. And we'll be back with you. All right,
I'll
be back.
I walk now.
You walk, she walk now, I guess. She dry, she dry. We about to put a little oils and serums on to get her ready for the curling iron. Go in first with the hair polisher Icy, one of my favorites. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this. This is the Mizani hair sheen. It really adds a nice sheen to the hair. All the stuff you'll think is gonna be oily, but it's not. And then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorites that I love to use on short hair, and that's Arthur Johnson's Glossifier. This is kind of similar to the, I'm dropping stuff. Hold on, talk to him, Kendra.
Hi.
It's similar. It's similar to this. However, this one really has agents in it that really helps to coat the hair. And when you're doing short hair, if you've ever curled short hair, you don't want the flyaway. You want that curl to be nice and crisp, and the hair to really adhere to one another so that the curl can really take nicely. This helps to do that. It helps to kind of almost give the hair if it's equivalent to like a lacquer that you would use on the floor, you know what I mean, to really give it a shine, but it's a thick coating that helps bring those fibers together, so when you curl, you get a nice, crisp, not hard, but firm curl. So we're going to show you one of those briefly. And then this is my working spray, which I love, Kenra Ultimate Hold Freeze. We'll use this throughout the whole process as we curl. All right, we'll be back shortly.
Bye.
Listen, bye. I don't have a camera guy today, so my client is doing it. I'm gonna stand up out of frame. Hold your head down just a little bit. There we go. So I'm just gonna show you the diameter of the iron that you need to use if your hair is her length. So she has about a 2.5 inch growth here. So we're gonna go in with a dime size curler. You wanna use an iron that's gonna give you a full curl, especially if you're wanting your curls to last. Now, if you're doing spikes or something like that, you can go in with the iron that's a little larger, but it's not going to give you a curl. It's going to give you more of a flat iron look, and that curl is not going to last. And most short hair clients want their hair to last. So I just want to show, look, and she said, yeah. So I just want to show you a curl real quick. And I'm putting all the products that I mentioned, I put in there. And I'll go in sometimes and add a little bit more hold. And what I love about this spray, and I think I've mentioned this in other videos, but it's a nice working spray. So it gives you that firm hold without the sticky, cakey. So anyway, so what I was saying before our camera cut off is I like sprays that don't give you that cakiness. Now I do use those, it just depends on what I'm doing. But for the average head of hair, I like to use my Kenra Ultimate Freeze, which I recommend that you try. So I'm gonna do these curls, then I'm gonna take the camera just to show you how we start the base for this short hair. Now this may be challenging for you to try at home on your own head, but I don't know, some of y'all can do your own sew-ins and all braids, tie-zillions, and faux locks. I'll be like, they did all that on their own, big old little braids and the whole head of hair. And they be like, yeah, I don't know how y'all do it, but I'm gonna help you out if you're trying. This is what you gotta do. So we want to start, and this is old school curl setting. Start that base. Here, I'm gonna take the camera so we can show you. 1 second. Let me turn. How you turn this thing around? So that's where we start. That's the base of how we begin our curling process. So I'll go in and add another curl here just like those, and then I'll create rows that bridge all the way down the head from each curl. And we'll be back to show you the comb out. All right, so you see how we created the rows, started off from that starting point. You see right up in here, and the rows. So we've gotten everything curled. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna style it with my hands. I love styling short hair with my hands because I think it just adds such a natural flow, particularly when it's cut right. And see how we just go in and just show them to the side a little bit. We're just breaking it up just a little bit. And I'll be back to show you the finished product in 1 minute. All right, guys, here is the finished product. We just styled her with our fingers, which I just love. Added a little bit more hold just to give it a little bit of hold. It's very soft though. And she is ready. She's on her way to a big trip with her friends, so she's gonna be cute. All right, y'all.
Thank you.
Y'all take care.
Bye.